Alright, hey guys, Jack's back for a brand new video. Before I start building my new bike for 2017, I want to tell you next video, next Friday, I'm going to have a video coming up about what I'm doing for the new year, like how I'm changing up my channel. I'm going ordering a Rode video mic so that it's better quality. As you can hear, this is shit. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll start off with my frame. It's a United region frame. I can't remember the measurement, like the length. I did 20.75. I have a BSD sprocket, hangover cranks, chrome, 175mm. My chain is a random one. If you watched like one of my webisodes, you would have seen us throw the bike off like the hill. That's a chain off that bike. The seat is a standard Mongoose one. My pedals are black duo pedals. They're fairly old. I got the toolkits. My wheels. My back wheel was a full red Summit. My full red, what was it called? Assault Summit. It was a really good wheel. I sprayed the rims black. I don't know what peg this is. I got it off a friend. My front wheel is the stock Mongoose front wheel. It actually needs to I need to get a new one because it's getting fairly old. The rims came black on this, so I sprayed it red, then I resprayed it black. And my tyres are E-Cat 20 by 2.30s. I actually thought these are 2.35s. But they're fairly good tyres. I also need to get new ones of those, but the mic cost like €100, so I'm broke. Forks are stock Mongoose. My bottom bracket and my headset are BSD. My stem is a red Verd stem. I got like a while back on sale, €17. It's really good. My bars are... Why can I never remember what bars these are? Jesus Christ. It's because there's no like writing on it or anything. But they're... These bars, right? They're... What size are they? They're 8.95s. If that's even a measurement of bars, I don't fucking know. And I have Stranger grips. So let's first up, start in by putting in my forks and stem. Why not? Okay, so I don't have a bike stand. I'm wearing a white t-shirt, which isn't good. I have my stem bits and my headset bits on this. Now this is off my old stem. It's not a BSD part. I kept it because it fits better. I test fitted everything in here and with the new one it wobbles. So I put this one in. Now I have to grease everything up. Can't forget about greasing shit. It's very important. Oh shit, I forgot. I'm going to time myself. So I'll add a minute onto my time. So we're going to be speed building this. I want to see how fast I can build a bike. And that goes in there. Then you go in there. And this, fucking grease it. Go on. Okay, that's that. Just put that in there. There we go. Then this goes in. Don't need to grease that. There you go. And this spacer. Then this. I'll line it up after. Because like you tighten everything afterwards, don't you? Well, I do. And after all the videos I've seen, you usually like slightly tighten everything, then go back over it. So with my last stem, I had to put a lot of downforce on it because of how much it wobbled. So doing that. Need this. So we're at 2 minutes 20 seconds. Isn't too bad, I think. This is my first time fully building a bike. I have like I've like taken all the stuff apart before and built parts onto it, but never full like stripped the bike down and built it back up. Is there wobble? No. Okay, we good there. Now let's get my bars on. This is annoying because I hate when they're not at the angle I want them at, and I usually want them like straight up. So like I'm really picky about how I have them. And always make sure the gap is equal. That's very important. Lots of people don't know that if you have like one side more than the other, it might snap. And I don't want to snap something. I have no money to fucking buy a new one. Moving on to seat. I don't really need to grease it. There's no point. I'll leave it about that height. If I can find the alloy key that I need, it would be great. Where are you at? Here you are. Line it up. Tighten up. This alloy key is pretty shit, so I have to get like a socket to tighten it. Turn it. Wow. Almost tight enough. Done. Pedals. Pedals and chain and wheels. Okay, what pedal is this? Left. And this is left. Okay. Turn it upside down real quick. What are we at? 6 minutes. And make sure it's left. I stripped cranks before. When I like first got my bike, I didn't know what way to put in like your pedals. I got new ones. And I was like, oh yeah, it doesn't matter. And I ended up having to pay like €100 for new cranks and shit. And they were like the shittest cranks I've ever got. They bent. They're just shit. Let's get my front wheel on. Outside. I actually bent my forks, like the little bit that connects to your wheel is actually bent. So I need to get new ones of those as well, but until they break I'm not going to buy new ones. It also makes my wheel slightly bent. So, oh, fuck's sake, I need to cinch it. Fuck's sake. I need to screw this. I need to screw both my wheels. They're both fairly bent. I don't know what happened right there. My camera stopped recording and I didn't know. But basically, I got my front wheel on, got my chain on with a master link. I got my back wheel on. I done it in 12 minutes 45 seconds. As you can see, I added 1 minute onto my time before I started. Is this even focused? There you go. Fucking focus on it. So, oh shit. I'm about to do first trick, and I'm going to do a hop crank flip, simple. I'm going to make sure everything's lined up first. So is this, oh this is not straight. Gotta straighten this. And then I can do my first trick. So I'm making this in my kitchen as well, so this is the biggest place I have. So hop crank flip. Make sure I don't headbutt the ceiling. Let they spin. Do I count that? I'll watch it back and see if it counts. you didn't see that. But guys, thanks for watching. Loving the new bike. Gonna do some riding today. I'll make an edit in about a month for the new bike. Gonna try learn some new tricks. It's not as light as I thought it would be. It's definitely back end heavy because of all the shit. But thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video.